Okay, last time I discussed how to add and subtract polynomials using two methods. Number one, horizontal, and the second method is by vertical method. Today, we will be exploring more about adding and subtracting polynomials by using algebra tiles. Algebra tiles is another way of simplifying the expressions. Okay, using manipulatives or tiles. Okay, but before we proceed to the examples given, okay, I want you to be familiarized with the tiles itself. Okay, if we say positive, I represented it as colored blue, 2 by 2, colored blue. Okay, that represents as your positive x squared. 2 by 1 represents as your x. Okay, 1 by 1 represents as your 1 or the constant. Then on the other side, these are your negative tiles. Represents as negative x squared, negative x, and negative 1. Alright, let's now have the exercises. So I have here 6 exercises, but I'll be picking only 3. We will be answering only 3 examples. Let's answer. Number 1. Okay. This is 2x squared plus 3x plus 3 plus x squared plus 2x minus 2. So since this is positive, positive, and positive, so we will be using the blue tiles. Okay? Blue tiles. So 2 pieces of 2 by 2. 3 pieces of 2 by 1. And then 3 pieces of blue. This is now your 2x squared plus 3x plus 3. On the other hand, you will be adding 1 piece of positive x squared and then 2 pieces of 2 by 1, and then you have the here minus 2. You have only 2 pieces of. It represents your negative 2. So how you will work on your answer? Just group them. Combine all the like terms or the like tiles. So this is 1, 2, 3. This will become 3. Right? And then 1, 2, the same color. This will become 5x. And then what will happen to these tiles? Okay, pair up, group them. This will become your 0 pair because positive 1 and negative 1 will become 0. Okay, another. Okay. So how will you read your answer? This is how many? 3x squared. And this is 5x. And this will become 1. Alright? Alright. Let's now proceed to the second example. Our next example is 3x squared plus 4x minus 3 plus 4x squared minus 2x minus 4. So we have here 3 pieces of blue of 2 by 1. 2 by 2 rather. Alright, and then I have here 4 pieces of 2 by 1 to represent your 4x. And I have here 3 pieces of, okay, and then you add 4x squared. So 4x, 4 pieces. Right? And then 2 pieces of 2 by 1. That represents your minus 2x. And then lastly, you have 4 pieces of 1 by 1. So how will you work on your answer? So since these are all positive, so your answer will become, this is how many? 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And then as you notice, we have pairs. Okay, group them. And then this one will become 0. Set aside. And this will become also your 0. And then what's left? You have 2x. And then here, as you notice, no pairs at all. So just combine them all. Okay, rearrange that accordingly. So how will you read your answer? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7x squared plus 2x minus 7. That's your answer. Okay, questions? Okay, let's now proceed to the third and last example. How about in subtracting? Let's now have this one. Okay, let's now have this. 5x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus x squared plus 2x minus 4. As you notice, in subtraction, okay, remember that in subtraction, we need to change the sign of the subtrahend. But before that, let's represent first the first given. Okay, that is 5x squared minus 2x plus 1. Okay? And then minus, as you notice, it's x squared minus x squared. Let's represent this first. Plus 2x. And then minus 4. Right? Minus 4. Okay, but since this is subtraction, the signs of this one, of this term, okay, terms will be changed. Since this is subtraction, all the signs of the subtrahend will be changed, and all the tiles here will be changed. This positive will become your negative. Change that into negative. This positive will become negative. Okay. And this one, negative 4, will become positive. Positive 4. Alright? Now, and then combine them. Okay. Pair. Right? As you notice, no pair. Combine them. Okay, and then what do you have? How will you read your final answer? It will become 4x squared minus 4x plus 5. Alright, again, I hope you learned new things today. You have learned something new today. Okay, I think that's it. If you have any more questions, just don't hesitate to ask questions using your Genio message. Again, this is Teacher Annie. Have a good day.